Shoutout guys mga kapatid sa mga taga Kuwait from Sabah Al Nasser. This is the Sabah Al Nasser and the nearest one is Firdaus. That is the stoplight. Then the next one is Ardia, Isbilia. Shoutout sa mga nandyan. And Rehab. This is the roadway going to school. Too far one here. I don't know the exact location of the school. The school was Northwest Bilingkual School. Magsundo tayo ng mga kiddos, mga apo ni Bossing. Yan. Tiis-tiis lang kahit nakakainip. Minsan naantok ako dyan sa sakyan guys. Pero parang naglilibang na rin. Yan. 10 to 15 minutes going to school. Kung hindi traffic dyan sa may right side kasi mayroong biggest university dito sa side between Ardia and Firdaus. Ayan, yan ang last stopover going to school na. For one yan na guys. Thank you so much and always pray God's will all, and thank you for watching. God bless.